हाय कृष्णा। जब हमें हर्ट होता है, जब किसी की कोई बात से या किसी की कोई एक्शन से हम हर्ट होते हैं, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थॉट दैट कम्स टू आवर माइंड? हाउ कुड दिस पर्सन डू दिस टू मी? हाउ कैन आई फील पेन? It's always me. We always put ourselves in the center of a situation, and we always think about how could this happen to me. We never think about that person individually. I am not saying that we need to rationalize what that person does, but we need to put this as two things. Not हम हमेशा बोलते हैं हमारे कर्म खराब है, मेरे साथ ये हुआ, मेरे कर्म खराब है. It is not about your karma, why somebody hurt you or why you got hurt. Maybe sometimes in some situations the person doesn't want to hurt you, but you got hurt as a result of their karma. Maybe it was his karma, but indirectly आप hurt हो गए. Not always. Sometimes people do hurt you on purpose, but what you do with that situation is your karma. Your karma is not getting hurt. Your karma is what happens next. How you deal with that situation is your karma. Maybe you are filled with grief. आप grief express करते हो, वो आपका कर्म है. आप revenge plot करते हो, वो आपका कर्म है. आप उस इंसान को जाके you cross question him, that is your karma. But what happens before that wasn't your karma. That was that person's karma. उस इंसान का कर्म था जिसकी वजह से maybe you are a fatality that happened. It is not always about having the main character energy. Maybe उसकी मूवी में आप एक सपोर्टिंग कैरेक्टर थे, उसका कर्मा फुलफिल होना था, and in the process you got hurt. Maybe it was that, but what are you doing with the situation is making your karma. कृष्ण जी कहते हैं कि हमारे सुख और हमारे दुख सब हमारे कर्मों का फल है. So how we take the situation forward is gonna be our karma. What happened is not our karma. अगर हम थोड़ी सी और आध्यात्मिक तरीके से बात करें तो वैसे तो कोई हमें हर्ट ही नहीं कर सकता. हमारी फिजिकल बॉडी को कोई हर्ट कर सकता है, बट हमारी आत्मा को कोई हर्ट नहीं कर सकता. जो चीज मेरी है ही नहीं उसे कौन हर्ट कर सकता है? बट चलो ये तो खैर बहुत फिलोसफिकल हो गया. इसके लिए बहुत ज्यादा एक हाई स्पिरिचुअल लेवल पे पहुंचना पड़ेगा. व्हेन वी कैन एक्चुअली start to understand that. We can say that. Today I am also saying this, but I don't think I'm able to practice it just yet. But yes, what I am able to understand and rationalize is if a person is acting a certain way, maybe it is not that, it is nothing to do with me, it is that person's karma. Aaj agar somebody is being jealous of me, somebody is saying a lot of things about me, that has nothing to do with me. It is not about me being a good person or a bad person. It is just about the simple fact that that person is jealous and he doesn't know what to do with his feelings. Me getting hurt is my karma. So I just let that person be. आप अपने कर्म बनाओ. I am not going to interfere. It's easier said than done, but it is something that we need to do. Practically, how do we make sense of all of this? जब भी एक सिचुएशन हमारे सामने आती है, हम प्रैक्टिकली भगवत गीता को कैसे फॉलो कर सकते हैं इस ऐसी सिचुएशन में where we hurt? The first thing that we can do is pause and reflect. We need to take a moment to reflect and not just be rash. You cannot immediately react ki, oh my god, how did this happen to me? You need to sit down, you need to relax. The next thing that you can do is forgive. But you don't have to forget. You have to forgive and you have to make your boundaries. अधर्म कभी मत सहन करो, but अपनी boundaries बनाओ. You do not have to tolerate them, but forgive them internally and make a healthy boundary with that person. Another very important thing is, and this is something that is my personal takeaway. I think because I have struggled with a lot of situations like this every time. अपने आप को सेंटर में मत रखो. Take a step back and see what the whole situation is about. Put it as two individuals and then decide. इतनी बार हम हर्ट इसीलिए नहीं होते क्योंकि किसी ने हमें हर्ट किया है, पर हम हर्ट इसीलिए होते हैं क्योंकि हमारा ईगो हर्ट हुआ है. उस इंसान ने हमारे ईगो को कैसे हर्ट किया, हमारे प्राइड को कैसे हर्ट किया. बट वो इंसान तो अपनी डेस्टिनी फुलफिल कर रहा था. आप अपना ईगो बीच में क्यों ला रहे हो? लेट इट बी. The minute you let go of your ego, a lot of things that hurt you become irrational. A lot of things that we feel, how can that person do that to us? When we let go of our ego, we realize हमारी तो कभी गलती नहीं थी. इस सिचुएशन में मेरा तो कुछ बनता भी नहीं था. It was all him. I have put myself in the center of the situation because main character energies. तो छोड़ दो, अपना ईगो छोड़ दो. आधी सिचुएशन ऐसे ही सॉल्व हो जाएंगी. और जो बाकी की नहीं हो रही, वो एक्सपीरियंस लो और स्पिरिचुअली ग्रो करो उससे. तो अगली बार जब ऐसा लगे कि ये इंसान ने मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों किया, थोड़ा सा धैर्य रखते हैं, थोड़ा सोचते हैं कि उस इंसान ने ऐसा क्यों किया, मैं बाद में लेके आते हैं. ये जो मैं का माया जाल है ना, that ruins a lot of relationships and situations a lot in life. तो मैं को थोड़ा सा दूर रखो, अपनी आत्मा पे फोकस करो. There's a lot of inner work that we have to do, but one step at a time, one Hari Bol at a time.